guy just spent 50 bucks at 7-Eleven.
43 to be exact.
Rip off. Huge rip off.
Video starting early today.
Yeah, the footage is starting real early.
Just got on the water. About to send it. Little troll sesh. See what happens. Bend the pole. My foot. Unexpected. I'm good right now.
When you're ready.
Yeah, thank you. He's out there. Yeah, dude, that came out of nowhere. That was just like slammed it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, same. I was like questioning it. Yeah, I know.
Nice small guy.
Taking turns. Yeah, he's a mean guy.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
You good?
That's the last moment.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Look at his build.
Oh,
look at the fucking lyric.
Damn.
That's why I brought him in all quick.
Hell yeah. Yeah,
Chris
he's
Happy,
a skinny
baby.
guy. Nice. Was he stuck on him?
Yeah, usually they are.
Ooh, little sucker. Little scavenger guy. Ooh.
His head.
It's gnarly, dude. It's like a little shoe. It's sick.
All those fucking bats to the head, just lethal.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I fucking killed him.
Yeah, he's.
Oh. Back at it, baby!
Oh shit, I think we'll fit in with the head. Yeah, I think we'll be alright.
Actually, I don't know.
What, this one?
Now they're too close together.
Same pole. Wait, what lure was that? That was the same lure?
No. That's
No, we switched it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm like waiting for a jump. Well, when you said 1, 2.
Oh!
No, he's still there. Get him pissed. Oh. Yeah, gaff him. He told me to let go, so. He did, bro. God damn it. Yeah. Yeah, there's some pull here.
Monster color.
Monster pell.
Oh my god, yeah.
Mr. Okoku going out. Mr. Pellet. Get out of there, Mr. Pellet. Oh shit. Dude, it felt like he's on.
Oh, yep.
He's on.
Careful, put your hand on the freeze zone. Careful.
That was pretty lit.
Alright, whenever you want. You're close.
I'm gonna give him another second.
Good, good. Oh, yeah.
Oh no? Mahi? Shivi? He's taking off though. It has rescend in it. Oh man.
Oh shit, it just hit the surface. Oh, what is that? Oh, we got a big fish, dude. It's another heavy.
Is it?
I think so.
They're f***ing everywhere today. I didn't see it. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh! Did you see him? That's f***ing, I couldn't tell. Are you sure it's a stripe? Yee! F***ing Marlin day. Right to the shit show. Oh, watch out, watch out! No! Ooh.
You ready?
Yep.
Got this. Grab the pack. I gotta turn him over here.
Woo! Yeah, dude. Swallow that propeller. So sick.
Good angle every time.
Gotta beat this head in just to feel safe. That's sick, dude. Marlin on live propeller.
Marlin on live bait, man.
Fuck
First
yeah.
time. That's insanely epic.
I'm glad we landed him because I was really bummed about that other head.
For real,
This is like the full redemption. Oh, dude,
nice
perfect
big,
setup.
Like, live bait stuff.
I don't know how much of that was on video, but
Yeah. Oh, it cut out, man.
that's Victor's way of saying he's excited. Body bagged up. Still trying.